welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. It's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, and my name is Philine, and I do unboxing, I do hauls, and I do online selling. So I do have my Mercari down below if you're interested on buying designer goods like bags, wallets, and jewelries as well. So, and some luxury items. Okay, for today's video, for today's video, we are going to do unboxing this little package. So this is the first time that I bought this kind of brand, and let's do it. Oh, where it is. So it comes with this receipt, and ta-da! This brand called Furla, but this one is so unique, and I'm just so okay. Let's remove this one. I'm just so happy because when I saw this one, it has this nice logo shoulder strap, and this is really pretty. And I never had Furla before, a Furla brand, and I just want to try it. I heard it quite a bit, but I never tried. And this one, I'll show you. This is very light because it's made of titanium. Okay, as you can see, and I really like it because it's blue, and they call it moon, and in color Tony blue. And we are going to put this in. So finally I was able to hook this one in here, and I didn't really like it because I find it really hard to hook in here. I think might be doing it really wrong. But it took me a while to really put it in there. So this one, and you can do also a crossbody. The body is shorter, but you can adjust this all the time because of this. And this one is originally $288, but of course I bought this for not $288. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to click down below. If you like this video, click the like button. And if you are happy or this is the content that you want to see, please subscribe in my channel, and also visit my Mercari. This is going to be on sale in my Mercari, and then don't be shy to make an offer. Okay, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.